Les Couilles Du Chien just sounds a lot more romantic than the dog's bollocks. My parents were in antiques, and I'd always said that whatever happened, I would never ever end up with an antique shop. So here I am, 17 years later with an antique shop. It's one of those things that once you start, you've got a passion for it. Tricky, because when we first started, we were very eclectic, but eclectic's become a bit of a cliche, a bit naff, but we do everything from stuffed squirrels to Danish modernism. So I think eclectic probably is the best description of what we do. If a piece of stock fits our criteria, doesn't matter where it comes from. We buy stuff from the States. There's nowhere that I can imagine that I wouldn't buy a piece of stock from if I wanted it. Firstly, I've got to like it. Then I've got to think it's got something to offer somebody. And then after that, it's quality, so how well it's made, design, and finally value. My favourite piece is the bird screen, because it's just fabulous, but equally this came in this week, and from the opposite ends of the scale, 70s homemade hedgehog, equally lots of fun.